James is gonna come home and mow the lawn because
people are coming over.
Valdez, like if you just start looking at the names that are on those bags, I don't want those people here, but whatever.
They just come by, they can grab them.
Yeah. Fuck no, I would come in, have dinner.
Huh?
I was just laughing about the fact that, like, if I ever invited them in for dinner, he probably would just show up. Eh.
I'll make sure to hide.
Yeah, pretty fucking much. I'm not sure if we're gonna put them out front or out back. Just like leave them outside kind of thing.
Yeah.
We're not sure.
Okay. I'll just hide. Oh.
Almost missed me and Lila having a little fight. A little bit of pee on the floor. Right by the pantry door there. So just look out.
Where are the paper towels?
They are in the guest room upstairs.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, thank you.